Okay, so I'm gonna try Bryan Johnson's stand on one foot little exercise. Now, just to make this a little bit more fun, I have about 8 of these things in my legs and about 6 of them holding in my arms. But just to make it more fun, I'll just even them out and we'll see how it works out. Let's see. Start the clock. Let's see how we do. I guess I could do more on the other leg. Can I do 2 minutes though? That is the thing. Can we do 2 minutes of this? Maybe, maybe not. Should we do it like at an angle or just straight? We're about 30 seconds. I need to be sure though not to go over the 30 mark line. Because if I'm going to do both legs in one video, the thing only records for about 5 minutes. So that'll be an interesting thing. I probably should have picked up more of these. This is a little too light. Maybe when I shift over to the other leg, we'll just add more. We've done about a minute. Should we move the leg forward? Should we do, I don't know, should we bring the leg out? That. Come on. We have to beat Bryan Johnson's 2 minutes. Come on, we're halfway there. Like 1 minute and 30 seconds. Come on, just a little bit longer. Ooh, it's getting hard. It's getting hard. We're about 2 minutes, 10 seconds away from 2 minutes. Come on. We have to at least get 2 minutes. It's a little too easy. 30 more seconds. Come on. Easy. Oh, I almost fell over. Oh, I can't do that. All right. 20 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, grab more weights. Other leg. Ah, oh, it's so hard. Is it? I don't know. Can we kick it out? Ooh. I'm probably cheating. I don't know. I think I'm doing this wrong. It can't be that hard. Maybe if we do this, shall we do some, we lift. I don't know, they tell me this is supposed to be hard. They tell me. It's supposed to. Doing this for 2 minutes and a half is supposed to be hard. I don't feel it. Is it? Do you think it's supposed to be hard? I don't know. We shall see. I have to keep going until the thing goes click. Click, 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 click. 3 minutes. Close to 4 minutes. Ooh, let's do this some more. I don't know, I think Michael O'Hearn is going to be proud of me for doing this one. Pump that iron. Pump it. Ooh. All natural. No steroids, no drugs, no coffee, caffeine. I don't know. No creatine. No nothing. It's hard. It's so hard. Three more seconds.